What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have another unboxing for you from Q Acoustics. These are the QActive 200s, their latest pair of bookshelf speakers that you can use to wirelessly stream high-res audio. You can stream from sources like Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify. They're even Roon ready. But they have a control hub that allows them to talk to a source so you can connect it to your television, your game console, even a turntable if you want to, so that's really cool. Now, Q Acoustics was nice enough not only to send me the Active 200s, but also the tensegrity stands that you can buy separately with them. So in this video, I will be unboxing both of them and setting them up so you can see that process. Now let's move on and let's talk about shipping details. First and foremost, this box was heavier than I thought. I expect these speakers to be a little bit dense because this box weighs about 41 pounds. Now, I was able to carry it up the stairs without any assistance, but if you need help carrying, that type of weight, definitely make sure you have someone home when these are delivered. The stands weigh about 13 pounds, so they were even easier to bring up the stairs. But like I said, I want to unbox these and set them up, so let's get to it. There are several different power cables in the box due to the different countries that they sell in, but obviously I'm going to be using the US power cable. Okay, so let's talk about the 200s. I've got the tensegrity stands down there on the floor and I will unbox them and do the setup, but I wanted to go ahead and talk about the 200s. First and foremost, you get a pair of speakers in that box, and as you can see, I have them in white. They come with port plugs, so you can plug them ports on the rear if you want to, and they also come with power adapters because these do need to be plugged into the wall so that they have power. They are wireless speakers in that they wirelessly stream the music and they wirelessly connect to the hub, but they do need power, so they do come with power cables, US, Great Britain, and all those others, as you saw when I pulled those out of the box. It also comes with these, the little manual right here, and it comes with the control hub. Now, the control hub is how you're going to connect it to your television, game console, turntable, that sort of thing, and there's some buttons up here so you can select sources, and it also comes with a remote. So that's pretty nice. Also comes with the power connection for the control hub and an HDMI cable. Now, I've actually unboxed some sound bars that didn't come with an HDMI cable, so it's kind of nice that the control hub does come with an HDMI cable so that you can connect it to your television through the audio return channel. Now, as far as how these look are concerned, I actually kind of like the way they looked. I was a little bit concerned that the drivers were offset. Looking at the pictures online, I was like, I don't know how that's going to look, but it actually does look better in person than it does in the photos, so I'm happy to say that. It's also got that Q logo down there on the bottom, and along the back, as you can see, it's got the port up top up here, and then also kind of a nice place to be able to pick them up because these are a little bit dense, and down there's a little bit of connections and a few other things that I'll have to explore in a few minutes. But let's go ahead and let's get these stands out of the box and start the setup there. Okay, so inside the tensegrity stand box, you get a pair of stands, a pair of mounting plates so that you can mount these speakers onto the stands, along with the necessary hardware, and carpet spikes that you connect to the bottom of the stands, along with the rubber booties if you want to protect your hardwood floors. They also give you a little accessory manual that I have here that shows you exactly how to set everything up. So let's go ahead and let's set this up so we can see just how good these speakers are going to look on the stands. there you have it, the QActive 200s with the FS75 or tensegrity stands. Setup was actually pretty easy, especially once I got through the first one. The second one only took, I don't know, 5, maybe 10 minutes. Now I will be doing a full review on this entire package. I'll be looking at things like, how does it stream? How does it sound? Even Rune, I'll be checking out that. So why don't you drop your comments and questions in the comment section below, and I'll try to address them in the full review. Also hit that subscribe button and that notification button so that you'll be alerted as soon as the video publishes. Also like the video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you next time.